Are you hearing that? That rattling noise? Many people believe it's a catalytic converter, but most of the times it's just your heat shields. Heat shields usually wear down due to age and rust out because of New York City roads and start shaking. It can be annoying, but replacement of the heat shields are far less expensive than a replacement or repair of a catalytic converter. Not every noise means a big repair. At Blue Star Brothers, we're here to fix the real problem. Stop by any of our locations or book an appointment online